Afternoon guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, Jason and myself have been working on this 2024 Bürstner Lyseo, however you want to pronounce it, there it is. This is the Harmony line and it's only a year and a half old. This vehicle has been in today for a digital Freeview antenna to connect up to their already installed digital TV. We have also fitted a Thinkware Q850 front-facing dash camera, and we've done a couple of security products. Sadly, we can't show you the security products because they are secure, meant to be, which is a shame because we've done a really nice installation of that said product or products. So now we are at the point of being able to tune the TV into the new aerial, and you can see that on screen. So join me inside. Right, so we're inside the cabin or the habitation area now. This TV was already fitted. It's one of the Avtech smart TVs. It's one of the newer VDAL ones, which has got loads of extra features on there. What we've done is we've added the digital Freeview antenna on the roof, plumbed it in down through so that you don't see any of the gubbins. Now, there's already personal effects here belonging to the customer, but what you this is not ours, obviously. This is the customer's mains voltage for the TV. This is how they choose to operate it. Now, most of the time when we are fitting TV antennas, we'll also always connect this up to the 12 volt. And then that way, when you're on a campsite, it can work because you're plumbed into shore power. When you're off grid or not on mains power, you've then still got the TV power. This customer has preferred to have it through the mains, but we've bought our antenna cable in through nice and neat like so. And then let's just pop that back in the cupboard here where we have fitted our antenna and brought the cabling down through, really nice and neat. We've even hole sawed the cable so that you don't see any of the cable run or the slack. I'm just going to flick the switch on. That gives me a nice blue light. That's reassuring. So then using the TV remote, because this TV has never seen Freeview digital TV channels before, they look like they've been using internet stuff before. So I'm going to press on the Avtech's the AQT, which is one touch tuning feature. What are we choosing? Yes, satellite antenna, brilliant. So all channels, digital TV, yes. So that's now going to scan. Typically with all of these digital Freeview, you'll get a few, and then it gets to a certain percentage in the scan and then smash, it'll just go crazy. Okay, we're at 4% and we've got 13 channels as it is at the moment. Bearing in mind we are inside our unit, just jumped to 34 channels. So that could be a mixture of digital TV and radio stations. As I said, we are inside our unit, so we are in a tin can. So what this customer will do is when they get back home, they will do a rescan. And it's best with all of these things is every time you go onto a new campsite, just hit the rescan button. It takes 5 minutes to do, and it means that you're going to get the best signal and the best choice. Right, scan all complete. We got to 156 channels before it then started speeding things up because it knew it wasn't any more bandwidth to continue with. So we've now got 156 channels to wade through. You can easily just scroll through the channel buttons on the TV remote, depending on what TV you've got, or on this remote you've actually got the guide button and the guide now. So let's go exit. So the guide, if we go to guide, will tell you all of the channels that you've got on the left. You can scroll down through and then what's on and time wise. No different to the TV at home depending on what you've got. So if we scroll over to the left hand side, we can scroll through all of the channels that we've got here. Won't bore you with it, but of course the reason why this customer wanted this was to make this a little bit more versatile. Before, they'd been connecting to possible Wi-Fi, which meant that they were limited to either Netflix, Disney, Amazon Prime, that kind of thing. The newer Avtex TVs that we fit have got the Freely, which is built-in internet TV, but you've got to have decent internet connection, broadband connection, internet connection. But now it doesn't really matter, because whether you're here or abroad over on the continent, you will be able to then get free to air TV channels with this system that we fitted. The other good thing about the Vision Plus TV antenna that we fitted is inside this cabinet is a slight adjustment boost gain. We always set that to halfway, but if you're on a campsite and you find that a couple of the channels are a little bit blocky or are breaking up a tiny bit, you can just give that little gain, just a tiny tweak, and it just makes the picture bearable, because it doesn't matter where you are in the UK, there are going to be places where terrestrial TV signal or reception is not as good as you'd like it to be. So it's live with the channels you've got or turn it off and read a book. So that's the Vision Plus UFO digital Freeview antenna that we fitted on the roof here. Obviously you've seen pictures of that. We've also fitted a couple of security products, but behind the cameraman there, we've also fitted the Thinkware Q850. It's a one-channel dash camera, and that one-channel dash camera basically means that it's front-facing only. When the key is taken out of the ignition, the dash camera stays on for a couple of hours and enters a parking mode. That parking mode means that you could park up your motorhome for an hour or two and somebody might have dented it or damaged it or driven into it, and then the days that we live in now, or the world that we live in, you're not going to come back and find a note, so therefore hopefully the dash camera would have then given you some footage. It's not a security guard, it will time out because it's connected to your vehicle battery, but it's a great bit of kit. In addition to that, you can also have the battery backup system installed. That will be fitted behind the glove box, under a seat or in a cupboard, and it purely runs the dash camera off of this battery and can give you 12 to 16 hours or even more of parking footage. So if you're interested in that, then please do get in touch with us. If you're interested in any of the stuff we fitted in this van, please do get in touch with us. Website links in the bio. On the contact form on our website, just fill out your details, get in touch with us, and we'll normally reply to you within 24 hours if it's a working day, and then hopefully give you a quote and get you booked in. And as usual guys, if you don't subscribe already, please do, just hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to follow us on social media, and look out for the next video. Thanks for watching.